Hey y'all, so I thought I was videoing when I was doing this, and I guess I didn't hit the button. But anyway, I just put some flour in my bowl and some buttermilk to make it this consistency to drop my biscuits down in the pan. Okay, so I got my pan out of the oven.
I see you, Mommy.
It's got grease in it. And then I'm just going to take my biscuits and drop them down in the hot grease. These gonna be some big old biscuits.
I see you, Mommy.
I say you, Zizi.
I see you, Yessie.
I see you, Saylor.
And then I'm just gonna put a little bit on the top of the grease. Maybe I shouldn't do my biscuits so big, but it's fine. Everything's fine. And then cook them until they're done. Don't ask me how long, because I don't even know. On 400 degrees. Alright, now y'all, we are going to make some bacon. Bacon. I could eat this whole pack. I love it. So, I just like to cut mine in half. That's just how I do it. And then we will put it in the frying pan.
Coffee in my hand, hard, finally sitting still. There ain't nothing fancy, just a quiet kind of peace. The kind that is, boy, you found your feet. I used to chase storms just to feel alive. Now the good Lord's riding shotgun every time I drive. Got a little more faith, a little less heavy on me. Yeah, happiness showed up where I didn't think it'd be. And it's wild how I can crack the dark. One spark and there goes a whole heart. 'Cause happiness looks good on me, like sunshine on my worn down jeans.
What's on your head, Cece? What's on your head? Is that a cooking hat? You got a cooking hat, Cece. Hang on. Alright, what you cooking today?
Eggs.
Eggs. Alright, tell them. So I'm cooking breakfast.
I'm cooking this.
How many is that?
One.
Jess, you gonna eat eggs? You ain't? Okay. We don't need to cook many. Okay then. Here, one more. Just one more.
Just two.
No, one more. No, one more. There. Alrighty. Nope, that's enough. We're
I
gonna
want
waste them.
another one.
No. Alright, now we gotta put some pepper in them.
I want to do it by myself. I want to do it by myself.
Hang on, I'll let you do the salt by yourself.
Okay, you will. Can I do it by myself?
Sprinkle it on it.
I got it.
That's enough, we get no more. That's enough. Okay, now you gotta stir it up. You gonna stir it?
Yeah.
Tell them what you're doing.
I'm mixing this up. I'm mixing this up, y'all.
Tell them you woke up early in the night, didn't you? Did you come to Mommy's bed in the night? Did you? Did you come get my bed in the night? Curly said you did. Why?
I want to.
Why did you want to?
Because Because there's something behind my door.
There was nothing behind your door.
Yes, there was.
What was it?
There's a monster.
There ain't no such thing as a monster.
But there's a monster in your room.
In whose room?
In yours.
No, they ain't.
Yes, there was. There's a monster in here.
No. Does Jessie have a monster in her room?
No.
She don't? Oh. You hear that? We all got monsters, but you don't.
No, I got it.
Yes, ma'am, boss lady. Are you cooking? We're going to have the best scrambled eggs around. They're going to be real scrambled. We got bacon. All right, y'all, I'm going to get my biscuits out. That sucker right there is huge. Let me get a plate. Looky, looky.
Like dust kicking up on an old back road, like a free heart finding its way